Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to print from ClickUp in 2025, step by step. Whether you need a physical copy of your tasks for a meeting, planning session, or just to keep things organized offline, this guide has you covered. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss any of the customization tips. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the ClickUp homepage. Log into your account. I recommend signing in with Google since it's quick and keeps everything integrated. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Now, locate the task you'd like to print. You can either search for it directly or navigate through your workspace and project folders. When you found it, click on the task to open the detailed view. Here's the key step: initiating the print function. If you're on a PC, press Ctrl+P. If you're on a Mac, press Command+P. This instantly opens your browser's print dialog box. Inside the print dialog, you'll see several options you can adjust. First, select your desired printer from the drop-down menu. Next, choose how many copies you'd like to print. You can also select specific pages if you don't want the entire task printed. Take a moment to preview your print settings to make sure everything looks right. Once you're satisfied, confirm that your printer is connected and ready. Finally, click the Print button to complete the process, and that's it. You've successfully printed a task from ClickUp. With this simple method, you can always have a physical copy handy for reference, team collaboration, or project reviews. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more full 2025 ClickUp guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.